makers, welcome back to Simple Innovation. Today I'm gonna show you a simple Internet of Things experiment connecting my Arduino Genuino MKR1000. I'm using MKR1000 with a DHT11 temperature and humidity sensor, a potentiometer, and also an LED here. It will post the data into my Node.js backend server that deployed on Heroku, then store the data into MySQL database on Google Cloud SQL. So from MKR1000 to Node.js backend server on Heroku, then push the data into MySQL database on Google Cloud SQL every 10 seconds. Let's get started. So I created a simple Node.js backend server, especially with Express.js, then deployed on Heroku. You can check on heroku.com. It's totally free. Then let's open my app to see the response from my backend server. This is the response. Okay, my Express backend server is activated on heroku.com. Then on my Google Cloud SQL, I've created a simple instance called Lintang. Let's activate the Cloud shell to connect to my instance here, also to see the database and also to see the table and the data inside the table. Wait a moment. We can type gcloud SQL connect, instance name Lintang, and username Lintang. And wait a moment. Let's type my password here, and voila, we are connected to my instance. Here I can type show databases to see all the databases inside my instance. I will use Lintang IoT database. I've created this database before. Let's type use Lintang IoT. Let's type show tables to see all the tables inside Lintang IoT database. There is just one table called IoT. Let's select asterisk from IoT to see the data inside this table. Empty set. There is no data here. So I can type describe IoT to see the structure of my table. Nice. Suhu, temperature, lembab, humidity, analog, potentiometer value, and waktu, timestamp. Okay, it works. Next, let's grab our MKR1000, then post the data into my Node.js backend server, then push the data into MySQL. Let's power it up with 5V power supply through my micro USB here, and let's wait. It will post the data every 10 seconds. Okay, wait. Nah, LED is on. It means my MKR1000 has sent the data on Google Cloud SQL. Let's type select asterisk from IoT to see the data inside this table. Nice. There are already two data here. Suhu 23, humidity 58, and potentiometer value 2. Its minimum value. Let's type again, select asterisk from IoT. Nice. Let's try to maximize the potentiometer value. Okay, its maximum value. And wait a moment. LED is on. Let's type select asterisk from IoT. Nice. Look at that. Analog value 1023. Its maximum value. Let's try to minimize a little, like this maybe, and wait a moment. It will post to my Node.js backend server on Heroku. LED is on. Let's type select asterisk from IoT 570. It works. So that's it. A simple Internet of Things experiment connecting my MKR1000, Arduino Genuino MKR1000 to Node.js backend server on Heroku, then store the data into MySQL database on Google Cloud SQL. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and see you in the next simple project by Simple Innovation. Bye!